I just finished washing my hair using the KIYA Cosmetics Black Soap Shampoo, and I followed that with their deep conditioner. A little bit goes a long way with the Black Soap Shampoo. You can see I've barely used anything and it just completely lathered up my hair and did not leave it feeling stripped. And the deep conditioner, it just smells so amazing and left my curls feeling super springy and hydrated and well moisturized. And now I'm going to continue on with my wash day using more KIYA Cosmetic products to do the LCO method and twist up my hair. So for the LCO method, I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner as my L, the coconut whip as my cream, and the hair growth oil as my oil. Let's get to it. So my hair is parted and ready to go. Just look at how hydrated and moisturized that looks. It's just so fluffy. Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy twists. Now we just let it dry. And we are back for the takedown. Right, so that is the initial takedown. Look at how juicy these are. Now for the fluff and separate. And there you go, a nice fluffy moisturized twist out using KIYA Cosmetics hair products. So I just wanted to hop on and talk a little bit more about KIYA Cosmetics and the hair products that I use to do this twist out. My hair feels super moisturized. It doesn't feel greasy or weighed down. It has that sort of juicy, fluffy twist out feel. And one thing I noticed about these products is I really love the scent. It's a nice natural smell, so you smell like the earth, you smell like shea butter, just that amazing black girl magic smell. So I really love that. So go support a black owned business, guys.